Alright, here's the flyer for the American Stopping Racism and Prejudice. It says, "Welcome, take action in stopping the racism and prejudice that we live in. Treat one how you would like to be treated if you were in their shoes," with the Statue of Liberty in the background. Um, have a nice feel because it gives the American flag and our statue that everybody's supposed to know and respect. Respecting one is what we're trying to accomplish here. We as a community have to take action on making sure the world is a fair place for everyone to live, being aware of what is right, the right thing to do for your fellow Americans. Then there's a photo showing end racism in America. The guy's face don't look very happy. He looks like he wants to end it. With the background of a fighting ring, we're willing to fight. Buildings for America. The logo that will be on the page is "Help Stop Racism in America Forever," which I feel would be a good logo for ending racism in America because we're all given the helping hand in ending racism in America, but forever we don't want it to come back or we don't want anything to happen from us trying to stop it. I feel like this flyer will give the people reading it the wanting to take action in stopping racism and prejudice that we live in by realizing that America should not be looking like this, trying to end racism